What's up, guys? These are really interesting sunglasses. You may have tried many sunglasses, but not these. These are called pho- electrochromic glasses, not photochromic. The photochromic glasses are different. These are electrochromic glasses. The photochromic glasses uses sun. They use sunlight to change their tint, and while the electrochromic sunglasses use electricity or charge of a battery to change the tint level. So these glasses have a dynamic tint, and they also support app connection, so you can connect them with the app, and they also have a built-in audio on the and a mic as well, so you can make calls, you can listen audio, and you can change the tint as per your requirements. So let's check them out. By the way, they're called Dusk, and they are made by Ampere. They have another version which is called Dusk Light, in which there is no audio in the and they are $100 cheaper. These Dusk sunglasses will cost you around $300. So let's check them out. There is the option to open it up. Okay, nice. Good unboxing experience. We have this. What is this? Let's check this out first. We have some fabric to clean it up, some cards, some documentation. Let's keep it that way to avoid a mess. And okay, what do we have? We have some extra nose pads here. Other than these are the glasses, but we have some extra nose pads in this one. Let's ignore them. What is this? We have the charging cable. Let me show you the charging cable because that's important. We have this Pogo charging cable from Type C to charge these earbuds. So let's put them aside. Let's keep the cable, put it aside as well, and let's open up the sunglasses, the Dusk sunglasses. Here we have these sunglasses, right? And let's see if they have some battery. One of these should be able to change the tint. Let's try the left one. Okay, which one is this? It should be your right one. This one is your right. This one is your. This is my right. uh, I'm not sure which one is your right or my right, but let's try this one. Okay, see, it changed again. So this was the maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4. It should have 5 if I read the listing correctly. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. So no, actually there are 4, not 5. Okay, so 4 levels of tint. And for the Pogo charging, you will do it like this. So there is a magnet, it automatically plugs itself in, and you have these sunglasses. In terms of buttons, you have 2 buttons. One is here, one is here. One is to control, this one is to control the tint, and this one is to control other settings like attend calls and media playback. Then we have the speakers right here. If I'm getting the focus right, these are the speakers, one here, and there should be a mic as well. So there is, I think either this one is a charging indicator or mic, either of those. So mic is there, 2 speakers are there, charging, 2 buttons, and yeah, that's it. And overall, I think they look quite good, to be honest. See, they don't look bad. And what else can we get out of it? Let me connect it with my mobile phone, and maybe we'll test the audio and also control the tint from here. Okay, let me open their app actually. It's called Ampere. Oh, not Amazon store, Ampere. This one. What is going on? Open navigation settings. Okay. Let's hope that it does find it. Let me give it How do I pair it? This is, let's try again now. Okay, they have detected it. And add this Ampere device. So adding to the app was quite successful. Quite easy, sorry, not successful. All right, go to home screen and we have the, all right, now let's change the tint level by using the app. Okay, this is the app, this is glasses. Let's change the tint level based on that. How do I show it to you? Like this. See, keep going. This is the maximum. You can control the tint, and if you want to quickly switch, this is light, this is dark, light, dark. So you can control the tint right from here, and you also see the battery here. I wish they had it shown in the percentage as well. This is to ring and find. What are these? You are turned on driving mode, is on best can't go. Okay, so this is to prevent going the, like, keeping the transparency to 8%, which is the recommended limit for driving. Okay, now that I have turned it off, let's go to settings. So we have EQ settings here to adjust equalizer. These are for the sound. Then you have the volume here. Let's increase the volume to maximum so that we can do a sound test. And okay, so this is for custom presets. So this button changes between certain levels of tint when you are pressing it, like this button. So they allows you to change this setting from the app as well. And this is if you turn on the custom presets, and then you can add preset 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like acting, no, sorry, 4, because there are only 4 allowed. So this is to customize that option. What else do we have? In the settings, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So I don't think we have any other option. Yeah, that these are the options. Okay, and let's go darker. Let's do a quick sound test as well, because that is a functionality that comes with it. So it's good if we do a sound test. Let's bring them closer, and let's go to mid player. All right. I think this is enough for the sound test. This is enough for the sound test, and let's give it a ring as well. In case you lost them, you can find them by using this ring button. So let's see. All right, they don't seem to be ringing. Something isn't right. Okay, something was off. Let's try again. Okay. All right. So it's enough to actually find them in case they are nearby. Don't expect them to find like multiple meters away, but like in the room or in the next room, you can find them by using this option. So these were Dusk sunglasses made by Ampere, and they cost you a lot. Like 300 is a lot, to be honest. But I think this tech is actually used in luxury cars, so that's why they are expensive. Like it's not an easy tech to find in anything. They are world's, I think, first electrochromic sunglasses. So yeah, I think it makes sense that they will cost you around $300. And if you're just interested in the dynamic tint, then just buy the Dusk Light, which are $200. And you can find them, I think, on Amazon as well as on their own website. I will leave the link to buy both of these in my video description. And please let me know what you think of them. Take great care of yourself. Bye.